contradiction. I wanna play the game, I want the friction and